Good morning, students. Now, today we are starting next chapter, staffing. So many topics of staffing have been omitted or deleted in the curriculum of 2021. So hereafter, what we will study will be according to the new syllabus given by CBSE, and I hope you all are having that. So staffing is another function of management after planning and organizing. So in planning, we have seen the foresightedness. It is an intangible force. Organizing, we have seen the execution of work by departmentalization, division, forming the structures, etc. Now, who all will be working in the organization? This is all about staffing. So the meaning of staffing is, it is a process, of course, it is a process of management. So what process is this? It is a process for obtaining and maintaining. Obtaining means to get the people, and maintaining means to make them, to give them proper work and to have the proper control over them. So it is a process for obtaining and maintaining capable people. Capable people means, one, those who are eligible. Eligible means by norms, by education qualification. And capable means who can take over the charge of that. So it is the process for obtaining and maintaining capable people to fill all the positions in the organization. All the position here, it means from bottom to top or from top to bottom. Right from the peon to the CEO, all are being placed in the organization only if they are capable, only if they are qualified, only if they have skill to work at that position. So this is the meaning of staffing, that the process for obtaining and maintaining capable people to fill all positions in organization. Now we will see the importance of staffing. Why it is important for the organization to take the right people for right job. So here are some importance: filling job with competent personnel, better performance, survival and growth, optimum utilization of human resource, and improves job satisfaction and morale. So one by one we will see the first importance, that is filling jobs with competent personnel. So staffing helps in discovering and obtaining competent people for various jobs. Means the first thing of staffing is, through staffing we can discover many eligible people or contestant who are best for the job required by the organization. So that is why it is the first importance. स्टाफिंग होने से सबसे बेनिफिट ये होता है कि जिस काम के लिए जो व्यक्ति हमें चाहिए, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हमें उसी तरह के व्यक्ति मिलते हैं. देन द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंस इज बेटर परफॉर्मेंस. सो प्रॉपर स्टाफिंग, माइंड इट, प्रॉपर स्टाफिंग. प्रॉपर स्टाफिंग का मतलब होता है कि फॉलोइंग द नॉर्म्स एंड राइट पीपल एंड राइट वर्क on the checking proper criteria, full process to be formed. After that, when the people are selected, that is known as proper staffing. So proper staffing ensures higher performance, better output, because the right person are placed at right job. So we can expect the better performance because right people is placed. अगर हम randomly किसी को भी ले लेंगे, somebody is known to me, I need to help them and I have made them or appointed him or her as a manager, but does not capable of doing work. So we cannot get the better output or better performance. So in order to get the better performance, we need to follow the staffing. That is how it becomes the importance of staffing. Then the third is survival and growth. If you see the organizational point of view, survival is what? It is the continuation of work, so that the same people are working, they are getting the experience, they can bring some more new and innovative ideas. So the same people, if they are staying for long period of time, it is always better for the organization. So staffing ensures continuous survival and growth of the enterprise through succession planning for managers. It means through planning, when we keep some people in the organization, it leads to the survival and growth process of organization. Now next point is of importance is optimum utilization of human resource. Now here optimum utilization, optimum never says maximum. Optimum is best possible utilization. Here it is of human resource. Human resource is another name of staffing. The resourceful person are human resource. The resource which are the main resource of organization are known as human resource, because all the activities of an organization is being performed and done by a personnel or a human being. So staffing leads to the optimum utilization of human resource. इसका हम एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं. अगर एक मैनेजर बहुत कैपेबल है, he has a full knowledge of purchasing, he has a full knowledge of sales, and we can make use for one manager to two places. It means instead of getting two managers, instead of paying to two managers, we can make use of one manager for more than one work. And how staffing helps him? Because at the time of staffing process, we come to know about the education qualification and other experiences of a person. So staffing always leads to the optimum utilization of human resource, even for human resource management also. The next is improves job satisfaction and morale. So when proper staffing is being done, I have already explained what the proper staffing is. So proper staffing improves the job satisfaction. Why it improves the job satisfaction? Because a person who has taken the qualification, educational qualification, it means somewhere he or she is having that kind of job in the mind. That is why he or she has taken that educational qualification. So it is always benefit if we find that person, those who really want to take that job, not by chance but by choice. So proper staffing improves job satisfaction and morale. Morale मतलब एक बूस्टअप देता है वो एम्प्लॉय को. मोरल ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज थ्रू ऑब्जेक्टिव असेसमेंट एंड फेयर रिवार्डिंग ऑफ देयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. फेयर रिवार्डिंग मतलब टू गिव द एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट फॉर बेटर वर्क and sometimes some punishment also for wrong work. So how it is done? Through staffing process. So again I am repeating why staffing is important in organization. If we start taking the people randomly, then we cannot expect the better output. Therefore always staffing and better process of staffing should be adopted. So staffing is important for these reasons. What are the importance? Filling jobs with competent personnel, better performance, survival and growth, optimum utilization of human resource, and improves job satisfaction and morale. So these are the importance of staffing.